Unsigned and original music on Round Sound Radio. Showcasing the best of the best acts throughout Liverpool and the Northwest.
When you dance with the devil,
I'm left out. I will never be a rock star.
Round Sound, original and unsigned music. Every Sunday, 8 p.m. till 10 p.m. Righty, up next we have a tune by Heidi Brown. Heidi's from Shropshire. Jazzy pop, rootsy folk with a touch of theatrical in her own words. Got a track to play by Heidi tonight called Little Darling. Heidi has won many a big competition, works with some top musicians and graced some wonderful stages. In fact, there's simply too much to start talking and spieling on about. Best thing to do, guys, is hunt her down on her Facebook page. Played stuff on the show before by Heidi. Very, very talented act indeed. Not partial to a little bit of banter as well. We have a bit of a laugh sometimes. I won't tell you what about. I'll leave that to your own imagination. She's originally from West Derby as well. Really great track this. It's got wonderful vocal as standard from Heidi. Brilliant songwriting ability this girl's got. Very bluesy come jazz this for me. Really love this tune. Cracking. This is Heidi Brown with Little Darling. Get this in our top 20 next Thursday.
I need you to try, little darling, to be a man. I need you to try, little darling, the best that you can. To stop thinking of you and start thinking for two if you want me by your side. To stop thinking of you and start thinking for two if you want me. You held up a mirror, your mirror come a little clearer. 'Cause I don't want to be the one to point out your flaws anymore.
What an absolutely lovely track that was there by Heidi Brown. We have got Heidi in the live lounge as well a little bit later on in the year, guys. I will be keeping you updated about that. as and when it happens. Right, up next we have a band called My House. The band consists of Luke Wormsley, lead guitarist, vocalist, guitar and keys. We have John Driscoll, I hope I pronounced that right, on drums and vocals, Jonathan Miller, guitar and vocals, Luke Harron on guitar and percussion, and Greg Jones is the bass player who does a little bit of singing. A Bradford 5-piece fronted by Luke Wormsley, who joyfully rotate between cowbell, tambourine, keys and maracas. Got in touch with these guys about the pronunciation of the band name. The band is actually spelled, it's called My House, but it's spelled M-E-I-H-A-U-S. And I'm so glad I got in touch with them, because what I was originally going to call them was Meow House. So I'm glad intuition kicked in there and I got in touch with them beforehand. The track I have for you tonight, guys, is called Shiver. They've got a video to go with this track as well, I believe, that you can find on YouTube. Really like this track. Starts off very chilled out with a nice vocal, some excellent synth work going on. Later met with a roaring guitar. Very different this. I think they've achieved what they set out to do with this track. A brilliant track by all accounts, guys. This is called Shiver by My House. Have a go at this.
Something you haven't told anyone. Hang on.
Righty, and I'm going to give you a tune now by Rosie Rothschild. Straight after that, guys, we're going to be having a conversation with the Dead Cassettes and also Rogue Gallery up again, Promotions. Paul's going to be having a little chat to us. Okay, Rosie Rothschild, if you like hip-hop, man, and you like Eminem, then this guy is the fella for you. He's a producer, a promoter, and an artist. Rosie keeps himself very busy indeed.